If you've ever looked into eXp Realty, chances are you've heard someone call it a pyramid scheme. Today, I'm breaking down what a pyramid scheme actually is, how eXp's model works, and why this brokerage is shaking up the industry. Before discussing eXp Realty, let's first break down what a pyramid scheme is, because the term gets thrown around often. Pyramid scheme is an illegal business model where people only make money by recruiting others into the system. Instead of selling actual products or services, participants earn money from signing up more people, who then recruit more people, and so on. Here's the problem. These schemes are unsustainable. No real product or service is being exchanged. It's all recruitment based. Only the people at the top make money. Eventually, new recruits dry up and the system collapses, leaving most people at the bottom with nothing. That's why pyramid schemes are illegal and why the FTC cracks down on them hard. Now let's compare that to eXp Realty. eXp is a fully licensed international real estate brokerage that earns money just like every other brokerage through real estate commissions. In fact, eXp is the #1 independent brokerage in the country by transactions, helping more buyers and sellers than any other firm. Unlike traditional firms, eXp doesn't rely on physical offices. Instead, agents work remotely to access everything they need through cloud-based tools. However, similar to traditional brokerages, agents make money by selling real estate. On top of this, eXp offers revenue share. This is the part of eXp that a lot of people dismiss and call a pyramid scheme. But here's the difference. It's completely optional. The vast majority of eXp agents focus solely on real estate, just like any other brokerage. So unlike a pyramid scheme where recruiting is the only way to make money, eXp agents build their business on real estate transactions, with the option to earn additional income through referrals. Not only that, but our pyramid is more of a straight line because it only runs 7 layers deep for each individual agent, meaning it doesn't matter when you join, everyone has the same opportunity and no one has an advantage over others just because of when they join. By the way, I'm Doug Smart with Smart Agent Alliance at eXp Realty. When you join our free sponsor team, you get everything eXp offers plus more free value than anyone else is offering. If you haven't checked out our free benefits page on our website, you're missing out. Join us as others are doing nearly every day. Click the link in the description to find out more. Now, let's talk about money, because if eXp were a pyramid scheme, the only way agents would make money is by recruiting people. That's not how it works here. At eXp, agents get paid through 3 main income streams: commissions, stock ownership, revenue share. For commissions, agents keep 80% of their commission, with 20% going to the brokerage until they hit a $16,000 cap. From here on out, agents keep 100% of their commissions until the year ends and the bill starts again. Second, stock ownership. eXp is publicly traded on the NASDAQ, and agents earn stock by hitting production goals, referring agents, or even buying in at a discounted price. Third, revenue share. If an agent refers someone to eXp, they earn a small portion of the company's split when that agent makes a commission, not from the agent's pocket, but from the company's. So no closings, that equals no money earned from revenue share. Unlike a pyramid scheme, eXp Realty does not pay its agents just for signing people up. The reality, over 90% of eXp agents earn their income purely through sales. So if eXp is a legit brokerage, why do people still call it a pyramid scheme? Simple, it's different, and anything different makes people skeptical. But let's look at the facts. eXp Realty is a fully licensed brokerage, operating in all 50 states and countries, going on 27 this year, and still growing. It has over 89,000 agents worldwide, one of the fastest growing brokerages in the industry. It's publicly traded on the NASDAQ under eXp World Holdings, EXPI. In a recent SEC audit, there were no irregularities in eXp's financials. Pyramid schemes rely on scarcity. eXp is one of the most transparent brokerages in the industry. So, the bottom line, is eXp Realty a pyramid scheme? Absolutely not. eXp is a legit top-producing brokerage. It operates just like any other real estate firm. Agents earn commissions from selling, not from recruiting. If you're still unsure, ask yourself this: would a pyramid scheme be able to sell more homes than any other brokerage, operate in 24+ countries, and pass an SEC audit with flying colors? Hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and drop your biggest takeaway in the comments below. And to learn more about eXp Realty and our free sponsor team, here's some more videos which should be showing up right about now. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.